Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, I'm so sorry the uploads are coming very late. There's another event here in the Philippines and I'm kind of rushing both at the same time. In the meantime, I got Steven earlier, and this video is a sync pair story video for you guys. So enjoy Steven's sync pair story. We'll do this 3 rounds, or 2 rounds rather, a day with Steven. Every first round, I do the first option. So I'll pick the first option for the first round. And I'll repeat with the second round, second option for all dialogue choices. Enjoy watching, guys.
Excuse me.
Cool. You're on.
Thank you.
Am I gonna win
Shall
though?
we begin?
Or is this gonna be a tie?
All right.
How is Pikachu gonna win against a Metagross? It's a steel type.
Well done. Fascinating. I see.
So who won?
I'm counting on you.
Who won? Absolutely.
Yes. When it comes down to it, I'm just the strongest there is.
So does that mean you won? Anyway, guys, that was the first option. And we'll repeat with the second option. This is it.
Hey. Fascinating. Yes. Nice. Excuse me.
If I'm not mistaken, guys, Steven is some sort of an archaeologist or something. That's why he's kind of fascinated with stones.
Shall we begin? All right. Well done. Fascinating. I see. I'm counting on you.
I don't plan on losing.
Yes. When it comes down to it, I'm just the strongest there is.
And guys, that's it. We are done. That was Sing Pair Stories, A Day with Steven. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you did, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. We have a story event. We have to work on that. We're kind of past schedule. The strongest there is. I'll see you guys in the next video.